As Canada moves close to its federal election on April 28, intelligence agencies are on high alert for possible foreign interference. While China remains the primary concern, Canadian security officials have also flagged India as a potential threat. The Security and Intelligence Threats to Elections Site Task Force, which monitors risks to Canada's electoral systems, is actively assessing the situation. Speaking at a briefing on Monday, Vanessa Lloyd, chair of SITE and deputy director of operations at the Canadian Security Intelligence Service (CSIS), stated that China is highly likely to use AI enabled tools to interfere in the democratic process. However, she also identified India as a country with both intent and capability to influence Canada's elections. Alongside India and China, Russia and Pakistan were also named as countries involved in clandestine interference. The SITE task force works in coordination with Global Affairs Canada's Rapid Response Mechanism (RRM), which tracks digital disinformation linked to foreign actors. China has never been interested in interfering in Canada's internal affairs, the Chinese Foreign Ministry said on Tuesday when asked about Canada, saying China and India are likely to interfere in the Canadian general election. Just earlier this month, RRM Canada flagged a spamouflage campaign, an online tactic blending spam and propaganda targeting multiple individuals in Canada. This was attributed to China, according to reports. India's alleged involvement in electoral interference was first detailed in a foreign interference inquiry earlier this year. The final report, released on January 28 by Justice Mary Hosie Hogue, named India as the second most active country in Canada's elections, trailing only China. The report acknowledged Indo-Canadian diplomatic ties but highlighted long-standing tensions, particularly over New Delhi's concerns about Khalistani separatism. The report stated that India's foreign interference efforts focus on both Indo-Canadian communities and prominent non-Indo-Canadians, targeting all levels of government, and it further alleged that Indian diplomatic officials and proxies in Canada play a role in these activities. With the election just weeks away, concerns over foreign interference are intensifying. Will these allegations impact Canada's political landscape or its relations with India? Stay tuned as we track the latest developments.